Hey everybody, what is up? It's another day. Super excited because I'm about to hit up LA with somebody right now. Open up. There he is. What is up? Now the bad thing is I only have 2 batteries and this battery is about to die. It's probably only running about 10%. So there he is, CEO, Import Limited. What do you have to say? Super excited. We're running late, so we're probably not gonna vlog too much. We'll just show you guys the beaches, the parks and stuff like that. You'll probably know who he is in the next videos or so. He's been out of the scene, but he's the one that makes it all happen. So we'll hit you guys up later. With the CEO of Sweat Paris. I didn't give him a good introduction, so Sweat, just introduce yourself to everybody. What's up?
What is up, guys?
Alright, really quick. So yeah, we're about to hit up LA. I have about 4 hours because as you can see it's already 9:30 and they're about to close about 3 o'clock. Good friend of mine. I'm gonna go check out some parts. I gotta go pick some things up. And then from there, Sunday, we're gonna do some more vlogging and maybe hit up a few scenes there from the French Fast and the Furious, and then we're gonna hit up the beaches, maybe find some nice cars. If there's a car meet there, we'll go Sunday for sure. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, so we just got out of the hotel. What happened yesterday was super crazy. We got stopped by the cops. We went to go get some parts. Right now we're on a rush. We gotta go get some more parts right now. Somewhere near LA. So we're gonna be all over the place, all over Riverside. Then we want to hit up Paul Walker's house. Where's that at? You don't know. Alright, so we don't know where we're going, but we're gonna go take a look at the house. So that's what's up, that's what's going on right now. But we'll keep you guys posted, updated. So we finally got here already, somewhere near where Pasadena's or something like that. But I'm just overwhelmed. I can't believe how many In-N-Outs there is in the LA area. Like we must have at least seen 5 or 6 within just a 20-minute drive. That is crazy. So hopefully this guy doesn't take forever. So we'll see what happens. You excited, Jose? We're within a few minutes of just hitting the house, the Vin Diesel's house.
That one.
Which one is it?
It's the white one.
No way. Bro. This is crazy.
That's it.
Epic, guys. This is the first time we've seen this house. We're gonna try to get a picture here. This is it, guys. Pretty crazy, pretty cool.
That is his house.
That is pretty tight. So there it is, guys. Just there in downtown, it's just over there. It's not that far. About to hit up Chinatown too because we're super hungry. We haven't ate breakfast. We were rushing over here. The guy was really cool when we got the parts. So really nice parts here from this guy. And so now we're gonna go get something to eat. But look at this, guys. It's pretty cool. Pretty iconic to be here. Man, Josue. What do you think? Beautiful. It's pretty nice. I don't know. If you guys are ever in Chinatown, guys, this place is the bomb right here. This place will hook you up. This guy. Thank you. Oh goodness, I almost got caught up. Well guys, here it is. We just barely got to the beach. Santa Monica Beach, by the way. Looks really nice. I've never been to this beach in particular, but I just always wanted to come here. Nice. And we're trying to go down over there. I didn't find any meats there in the area, so we went ahead over to Monica Beach. It was pretty nice. Chinatown was bomb. It was super good.
Super good.
Really good. No doubt about that. As we're back from LA, it was so amazing. So much fun. We went up to so many places: Long Beach, Santa Monica, Riverside, LA. I mean, everywhere. It was all over the place. We went to go get plenty of parts. So if you guys are needing ICE 300 parts, you guys know where to go. Yeah, it took a while to get there. We also did get stopped by the cop, but it's all taken care of. There's nothing new for me. We're still gonna go back there for sure. That's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave a comment, you know, like, dislike if you didn't like it. Leave a dislike, whatever. It's all cool. Your opinion matters. We'll see you soon. Bye. If there's a car meet there, we'll go Sunday for sure. So if any of you guys know of anything what's happening in LA, Texas, hit us up. But by the time you do, this video will be uploaded Monday, so never mind that. We'll cut that out.